IELTS Vocabulary Episode 1 Animals. 10 interesting words to know about animals. 1. Species. 2. Endangered. 3. Caged. 4. On the brink of. 5. Safari park. 6. Predator. 7. Ado. 8. Carnivore. 9. Herbivore. 10. Omnivore. 1. Species. Meaning a class of animals. Sentence. Many species could disappear from our earth. 2. Endangered, meaning in danger of being lost. Sentence. We should save endangered animals. 3. Caged, meaning put or kept in a cage. Sentence. It's sad to see caged animals. 4. On the brink of, meaning on the point of or near. Sentence. Tigers are on the brink of extinction. 5. Safari park, meaning a large park where wild animals live freely. Sentence. In a safari park, animals are allowed to roam freely. 6. Predator, meaning an animal that eats other animals. Sentence. Wolves are major predators of small mammals. 7. Adore, meaning love very much. Sentence. Some people adore cats. 8. Carnivore, meaning any animal that eats meat. Sentence. Lions and tigers are carnivores. 9. Herbivore, meaning an animal that only eats plants. Sentence. Cows and sheep are herbivores. 10. Omnivore, meaning an animal that will feed on any type of food. Sentence. Bears are omnivores.